Did you know that the housing crisis is seen as the primary risk to the Canadian economy by business leaders? That's right. The alarm bells are ringing loud and clear. A recent survey by KPMG Canada has shed some light on this pressing issue. An overwhelming 94% of respondents have voiced their concern over high housing costs and limited supply. They're urging for these issues to be a focal point in the upcoming federal budget. It's not just about finding a roof over our heads. It's about the ripple effects these concerns have on the broader economy. Think of it like a domino effect. High housing costs contribute to inflation, which in turn affects interest rates and increases household debt vulnerability. This isn't a small issue that can be swept under the rug. With such a high percentage of business leaders in agreement, it's clear that the housing crisis is no small issue. But how exactly does this housing crisis affect businesses and the overall economy, you might ask? Well, let's start with the workforce. A staggering 87% of businesses surveyed are feeling the pinch, forced to increase wages simply to attract talent and manage escalating labor costs. These higher salaries are a direct response to the skyrocketing housing prices, but the impact doesn't stop there. Higher housing costs also play a significant role in fueling inflation. As home prices soar, so does the cost of living, which in turn pushes up the price of goods and services. This inflationary pressure can trigger a rise in interest rates, adding another layer of financial strain for households already grappling with housing affordability. The fallout? An increase in household debt vulnerability. It's a precarious situation that puts both businesses and consumers at risk. It's a domino effect that starts with housing and ends up impacting all areas of the economy. So, what's the solution to this pressing issue? It's clear that a collaborative approach between the public and private sectors is a must. Innovative solutions can emerge from this partnership, addressing the housing crisis head-on. The federal government is already taking steps, such as providing funding support to other government levels and incentivizing measures to boost the housing supply. The majority of surveyed businesses believe in the power of tax measures to ease housing affordability without compromising capital gains tax exemptions for primary residences. So, what does all this mean for you and the Canadian economy? In essence, the housing crisis is not just a societal issue, it's a serious risk to the economic stability. The crunch of high housing costs and limited supply is squeezing businesses and consumers, fueling inflation and impacting interest rates. But there's hope. With public-private collaboration and innovative solutions, we can turn the tide. If you are facing losses in crypto and still haven't been able to profit from crypto while seeing teenagers becoming millionaires with it, it's time to change your strategy. Check the free training in the description of the video to start trading crypto profitably.